Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the traditional and crispy ribbon pakoda. For this, I'm going to take 1.5 glasses of freshly made rice powder. We must ensure that this rice powder is also sieved. With the same container, we are going to take half glass of sieved chana dal powder, 1 full teaspoon of roasted and powdered urad dal powder, 1 full spoon of sesame seeds. Next, we will add some salt as per your taste. We will follow this up with some hing powder, some chili powder. The quantity could be varied as per your taste. We will then dry mix this mixture completely. We will then add 1 teaspoon of butter to this. This will ensure that the murukku comes, crispy. And we will use our hands to nicely prepare the dough. We will keep adding water slowly and parallelly also preparing the dough nicely. You should ensure that the dough comes with the consistency of the chapati dough. After this is ready, we will ensure we put it to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll get the murukku making instrument ready. We will smear this with oil. Here you can also see the mold that we're going to use. We will load this with the batter and now nicely put the murukku into the oil. We will turn the murukku once or twice to ensure it fries on both sides well. Once the sizzling stops, we will now take the murukku out of the oil. The traditional ribbon pakoda is now ready to be had.